Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Airtel 5G SIM is active and the plan supports hotspot use. That avoids wasted steps. Once done, charge the device to a stable battery level or plug it in so the session won't drop. Insert the SIM carefully into the tray and press, and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds until LEDs light. This boots the radio and triggers the first-time network registration, which is why you power it before configuring anything else. Once the hotspot is broadcasting, you connect a device to the SSID shown on the label. This gets you into the network quickly so you can finish setup. Next, open 192, 168, 1 in a browser or use the Airtel app to log in with the default credentials and change them right away. This protects your data. Make sure to rename the SSID, set a strong password, enable WPA2 or WPA3, and select the 5G band for best speed and minimal interference. You finish by rebooting the hotspot to apply new settings, and then test with 2 or 3 devices to confirm stable connectivity and expected speeds. If the admin panel shows a firmware update, apply it. Updates often resolve performance and compatibility problems. If you see no internet, try toggling airplane mode on the hotspot, reseating the SIM, and verifying APN settings. If problems persist, contact Airtel support with your device IMEI and account details for network-side checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.